Welcome to 5 ingredient, 5-minute chocolate peanut butter Odies.
Beautiful thing about these is they're a healthier treat. They need one bowl, they're no bake, 5 ingredients, super easy to make, and they taste delicious. As we said, these are no bake and they're made in one bowl. So first we're gonna start with the base layer and we're gonna add in 100 grams of gluten-free oats. You can use normal oats too. 100 grams of peanut butters, and if you do wanna make this nut-free, just use tahini. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or liquid sweetener of choice.
So we're gonna make these in a muffin tray. I'm gonna simply put the paper casings in 8 of these. These do make 8 beautiful snacks.
So important step here is just to compact this peanut oat filling. This will compress it so you get that beautiful division of layers and also that it holds together.
So our filling, we've simply got peanut butter, we've got a pinch of salt, and we've got some maple syrup. So very simple, 3 ingredients. Add them all into the bowl and whisk it all together until it becomes deliciously smooth. It makes it a really, really good caramel.
Okay, flatten them out can be a bit of a sticky process, as we might say here. Top tip, take another paper case that's like baking parchment, pop it on top and just use the back of the spoon. Just makes it much easier to spread.
And make sure the oats don't come up from the peanut butter going down on top of it. So the final layer is the chocolate layer. We've melted 70% dark chocolate. Melt whatever chocolate you have and what you prefer. And we're simply just gonna add it in across the 8 paper casings.
Okay, final tip, just to increase the flavor, we're gonna sprinkle a bit of sea salt on top and some whole roasted peanuts.
So what does the sea salt do, Steve?
It accentuates the sweet, so if you think about our capacity to taste flavor, by adding salt, it actually increases our capacity to taste sweet, so it accentuates.
So it actually makes it taste sweeter by simply adding something salty. And final thing that we've got to do before hopping off these is to pop them in the fridge. So we're gonna leave them in the fridge for about an hour until they set. So we left these to set in the fridge for about 30 minutes and now this is the moment I have been waiting for.
So we're just gonna open them up out of their cases and drizzle over some peanut butter mixed with a little bit of maple syrup, just for a lovely finish.
Yum, 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 yum.
Peanut
yum,
caramel.
yum,
These are gorgeous. I'm gonna just chop it just to give you an outside profile, show you the anatomy of these. The wonderful thing about these is it's 5 ingredients, it's one bowl, super easy. It's a healthier snack that has some nutrition in it.
And it literally takes 5 minutes to make. It's amazing. If you do like this recipe, we've got a recipe club where we've got over 700 of our best recipes. It's less than a cup of coffee per month, and there's a full community of people there supporting one another about eating better, eating more.
How do I learn more?
There's a link down below to learn more.
Cool.
Great question. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Thanks for watching, and we'd love if you make this, just let us know, and yeah, send loads of love.
Cheers. Bye.